Did you know that Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank literally said that the only thing that matters in the first 2 years of business is sales? Your ability to sell and your ability to persuade people to buy from you, your ability to get in front of the right people who want to buy from you is the only thing that matters in the first 2 years of business. It drives me crazy. I go on Facebook groups all the time and I see business owners that are just getting started and they're asking about, which broom do you use or which pressure washer do you use or what about, this technical thing over here and this technical thing over there. And that's like the most important thing to them, or maybe their quality is the most important thing to them. But I talk to a lot of these people and they only have like 9 customers or maybe 12 customers. And so they're maybe making $1,000 a month or $2,000 a month. And like, that's not a real business. And so if you can't support yourself from your business, then you need to be doing a lot more sales and you need to be talking to a lot more people. And one of the greatest ways to do that now that I've found is local Facebook groups. You want to hit up your local Facebook groups, but you don't want to spam them. You don't want to just go on there and be like, I clean houses, or I pressure wash, or hey, we've got a discount, 50% off, or $50 off. Like, nobody cares about that stuff. Everybody's doing that. And if there's one thing I learned from Dan Kennedy, he said, he's a godfather of marketing. He says that whenever you enter a new business industry, you go and research your competition, see what everybody else is doing, and then go and do the exact opposite. Why does he say that? That sounds like suicide. It's not. It's actually a formula for success, because when you do the exact opposite of what everybody else is doing, you're going to stand out. You're going to be completely different. So if everybody else is spamming their services on Facebook groups, well, what if you work the Facebook groups a whole different way that nobody else is doing? And so that's something I actually teach people how to do in my free school community. Let's say everybody's doing Google ads. Well, what if you just go knock on doors all day until you have 50 customers? You think if you knocked on enough doors, you could get 50 customers? You might get, 50 no's before you get one yes. But if you knock on enough doors, you can get as many yeses as you want, right? That's what we call in my world a money lever, that you can control the output by controlling the input. You can't always do that with paid advertising. So Kevin O'Leary says sales are the only thing that matters in the first two years of business. And he's a pretty smart guy. He's a multimillionaire. He kind of like has started a few companies and knows some stuff. So I would definitely listen to his advice. So go out, feed the beast, find ways to talk to more people so you can generate more sales, knock on more doors, whether that's physically or proverbially, but go make more sales.